Howdy folks, hope everybody's doing well. Wanted to give everybody an update on the shop situation. For those of you who are new here and this is the first time you're seeing this channel, I'll welcome you. Right now the current status is I'm in the middle of a C20 build instructional series for the metalwork. And for those of you who missed it in the last episode, have good news. I'm expecting another cab to come in that needs a floor pan, cab corners, pillars, rockers, the whole nine pretty much. And I will make a series on how to do a full floor replacement, which is what a lot of y'all were looking for, and show you how to replace both the the front pillar, because I've already shown you how to do the rear pillar. And yeah, so kind of the update now is I haven't made much progress on my truck. As you can see right there, the inner rocker is still bare metal. I've got the outer rocker finished up, all the welds done and ground down, and I need to seal the inner rocker and the outer rocker on the inside before I put those two together permanently, and it's just been too cold. Today's actually been the warmest day in a while, and I think it's only like 38 right now. So I've got a couple chain falls and beam trolleys I got to put up. I've got to put my jig back into the cab. So I've got quite a few things going on. I need to test fit some things. So I figured I'd just give y'all an update of that. And you can stick around to see the rest of this. But pretty much what this video is going to be is just preparation for the next cab. Got one of the chain falls up on the beam trolley. This is a 1-ton unit. Wanted to show you all this. As I was mentioning, I got all the welds cleaned up and splices filled in. On both ends. And I redid the cap on this end. So it's going to turn out real nice. So briefly, I wanted to go back over the measurements. This is a cab dolly in the making, nothing fancy. I used 2x4s and 4x4s. The shorter inside piece is 40 inches, and the longer outside piece, it's a rectangle, is 54 inches. Yep. And I got a 4x4x8, cut it into 2-foot lengths, and whatever casters you get, you want to get those too before you start building these, and set it on the top. Put your tape along the edge, because you want to, I'm making this with a brace in the middle, but I also want to be able to roll my engine hoist or cherry picker underneath this, because if you pick this cab up with a cherry picker, you need clearance for your engine hoist legs to go underneath this. And that's something that you might forget. So measure your engine hoist. In my case, I'm going to do 9.5 inches from the bottom of the wheel to the bottom of the first support, which you'll see in a minute. So hopefully you can see this too, but I went ahead and checked out my beam hoists. They work good. Actually, I'll demonstrate for you. I actually made this new dolly a little bit shorter to give me some more vertical clearance. Once I start working on the new cab, I will get this into place, and then I'll actually probably use beam clamps to put more ratchet straps around it just to make sure it stays where I want it. But for right now, this is going to do me just fine, and this will allow me to drop it really low to the floor and make it easier to put the new floor pan up in it if I don't have help. Well, that just about wraps up the preparation for the new cab that I'll be getting soon. At least that's the plan. Got the dolly squared away, got my boards cut to go across, 4 boards. Sit something like that. Got the beam lift squared away. I need to clean up for the next few days. There's crap everywhere in here. Alrighty folks, well once again, thanks for stopping by and watching my video. I hope you got some value out of it. If you haven't done so, make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss when we get the new cab here, because that's going to be pretty awesome. And we'll see you next time.